Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today I have a quick showcase for you. So we have got all sorts going on right now. We have got these very special offer for the mini cut and emboss. So this has got 20% off, and any of the Stampin die bundles, which are specifically for the smaller dies that fit in here, they've got 20% off. So that's very exciting, and you're all loving it. I can see that there's lots of you buying this. Seriously, this thing is light as a feather. Love it. And I've done way more die cutting than ever before, because it literally just sits on my desk. I mean, seriously, that thing is tiny. So we've got that as an offer going on. All of the details are on my blog. But talking of die cutting, we have got this currently going on. So this is Waves of Inspiration. Now the stamp set and dies are going to be in the annual catalogue, but we've got an early release on it, so you can get hold of them now. And alongside this, there are some exclusive products that are while stocks last as well. So this is a red rubber stamp set, just lovely, with all of the matching dies that go with it. And like I say, you'll be able to get this all year long. What you can't get all year long, and only while stocks last, are the rhinestones, the paper and the foils. So I wanted to show them to you in more detail. So the rhinestones are one, two, three, four, five, 6 different shades of blue, although those are very similar, but this one is just a little bit darker than this one. Then there's a pale blue, a sort of a turquoise there, a green and another turquoise. So lovely I'm trying to say shades of sea greens and blues. It's not coming out very well. Rhinestone Waves basic jewels, and they're just gorgeous. I love a good rhinestone. So those are exclusive while supplies last. And then we have the paper pack that is also while supplies last. So this is just exclusive for now. Let me see if I can zoom out a little bit more so I can get it all on. There we go. So there's one side and the other. So it's very much this sort of seascape look, one side and the reverse, and you can see the different greens are being brought in. Beautiful, really, really lovely. Ooh, that was unexpected, that colour. So that goes, so it's kind of sandy beach. Just, oh, hang on, where does that one come from? Ooh, have I got an extra? I've got an extra sheet. How jolly exciting. Is that one? Oh, I don't know. I seem to have an extra sheet. Lucky me. Oh no. God, I was hopeful then. There's the other side of it. Phooey. And then this one, look at that green, that's granny apple green, and the yellow. So mostly blues, but with lovely colours to go with it too. So that's the paper pack. And then we've got the blue foils. So let me get this open. And these foils are different shades. So we've got 2 of the deeper, richer blue, 2 of the more turquoise blue, very mirror finish, and then this silver is more like a matte than super shiny. So you can see the difference when I get my ring light on that one compared to the ring lights on there. And they're just gorgeous. So if anybody remembers, peacock something or other that we had a few years ago, and those foils were just, they were so, oh, that's not going back in there, is it? Fauna will probably bring it to me later. Those were lovely, gorgeous, stunning blue foils, and it's nice to have blue foils back. So yeah, so scrambling around here at the moment, so that I haven't got a tutorial because these have only just arrived with me. Got a little bit confused with all the promotions going on. I forgot to order them. Oops. But yeah, that's the special. So the foils, the paper and the rhinestones, only while stocks last, and these are going to be available in the mini catalogue, no, in the annual catalogue. I'm just checking all my detail. So I mean, you can buy all of this now. So these are 1st of March to the 2nd of May, and yeah, so you can buy the stamp set on its own, the dies on their own, the bundle, the paper on its own, the foil on its own, the rhinestones on its own, or the entire collection. So the entire collection is £75, 97.25 euros. So fabulous, gorgeous. Hope you like it. Bye.